Good morning. Stock futures look to be down this Wednesday morning. There is disappointment at Japan's latest package of measures designed to boost their economy. Combine that with more Federal Reserve worries are pulling down equities. We had two Fed speakers yesterday. They made it known that they think that the Fed should start to pare back on the easy money policies. That's back on the table. Then, of course, we had Shinzo Abe make a speech talking about his economic plans, not well received. This morning we have the ADP jobs report. It'll be out at 8:15. Of course, this report is not looked to be very accurate, but it does tend to move the market. Then we have trader favorite Salesforce.com. They sold off yesterday after they announced that they were going to purchase ExactTarget for roughly $2.5 billion. But today the stock's getting a big hug from Goldman Sachs, who put it on their conviction buy list and gave the stock a $60 price target. Not so hard to imagine because the stock was just $47 not long ago. However, some are worried about Salesforce.com's change in accounting, that maybe there's more behind that. And then there's the expectation that there's the commoditization of the product. Plus, there's been a lot of insider selling. However, Jim Cramer had the CEO on Mad Money. He thinks that it's a good price to get into the stock here. Apple shares were down a little bit this morning in pre-market trading. The U.S. International Trade Commission ruled on Tuesday that certain of Apple's iPod and iPad devices violated a patent held by their rival, Samsung. The victory for Samsung means a ban on imports of Apple's iPhone 4 and some of the iPad 2s. Because the devices are assembled in China, the import ban would end Apple's ability to sell them in the U.S. The ruling from the ITC could be vetoed by President Obama, who has 60 days to invalidate Tuesday's order. Apple said it would appeal the ruling. But, really, does anyone care about the iPhone 4 at this point? Amazon is planning a major rollout of an online grocery business that it's actually been quietly developing for years. Amazon began offering fresh grocery delivery in the first major market outside of Seattle. The online retailer quietly added Los Angeles to its website as a delivery area for its Amazon Fresh business, hinting at what could be a broader expansion. Now, Amazon has been running the business for about 6 years in Seattle, and it's really a similar service to, say, Fresh Direct or Peapod. And that's what's happening today before the opening bell. I'm Deborah Borchardt. Good luck trading.